This is the escape house, designed in collaboration between the homeowner and architect, Luis Hera. The structure is deeply connected to its desert surroundings, integrating earth, terrain, and sky. The exterior is built to blend with its environment. Corten steel was used as the main cladding material. It rusted naturally while in storage, giving each panel a unique patina. These surfaces were clear-coated to preserve the effect and connect visually with the surrounding boulders. The home has 2 levels, an upper private residence and a lower guest unit. The 2 volumes are joined by a walkway that extends into the landscape. This connector is clad in black-stained rough cedar, chosen for its texture and contrast. The living space includes a corner window that was extended to create a multifunctional nook, used for seating and display. Concrete tiles were used in place of poured concrete on the upper floor to avoid cracking. In the bathroom, the same tiles were applied to the floor and walls, creating continuity. The master bedroom is minimalist, sized to fit only essential furniture. A small balcony, nicknamed the Kandinsky balcony, opens directly from the room, offering a quiet space for fresh air.